the pipe broke. So what happens when you hit a fire hydrant? Is that what happens when you hit a fire hydrant? Wow. It's 50 feet, man. Holy smokes. Woo! Yo! 50 feet water main break. That's what's up. That's how much pressure is in that pipe under there, man, when he hit it. 50 feet. We out here. This guy's gonna shut it off. You gonna shut it off? You gonna shut it off right now? I got your back. I'm gonna shut it off right now. Is it gonna shut? Room.